Now, Americans are paying $2,500 a month for apartments, but this exists in Da Nang City, Vietnam. This isn't a short-term rental. This isn't a hotel. This is a real apartment in a real neighborhood. Check it out. This apartment right here is $600 per month. One bedroom. Nice bathroom, new construction. Washing machine. Nice spot to watch the sunrise over Sun Cha Mountain. So there we have it. Fully furnished, beautiful, state-of-the-art apartment by the beach, great rooftop view for $600. Drop a comment below and let me know how much your rent is this month. Peace and love, y'all. Peace and love.